Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are wondering what I have in my skin, it's honey and it's melting. I'm so excited because today I'm going to try something new that I have. Say hi to my lady here. Hey! For the first time in my life, I'm gonna try contact lens. So, before I eat my moisturized mask, better go to wash my face. I'm back. I feel my skin really soft and moisturized. So, today I think to do my skin nice and clean, because when I put this black wig my face looks so white. I think that it will be enough. And now let's try this things. Alright, let's check. I'm not sure about my nails. It's gonna be hard, but I really want to try this. Always wash and dry your hands before handling your lenses. For each eye, I don't have enough power in my fingers. Everything that I'm trying to open it, it's so hard. Okay, my dear eye, it's gonna be wet, be ready. Hello, green eye. Not bad, not bad. Alright, it's not a big difference, but I'm so excited. I love green color. It's so wild. We are done with the lens, so let's continue with the makeup. I apply one tone darker than the foundation that I already applied. I don't want to be too contrasting. And now I'm gonna highlight some parts of my face with one tone lighter than the foundation. I like my nose to pop up, so I'm gonna try to do it like this. I'm gonna use again a little darker I'm gonna apply the highlighter. No. I'm gonna apply the powder now. Nose. And I will contour with light powder. I'm gonna use a powder again. I need little pinkish color for blushing my nose. And now highlighting. Say hi. Hello. Hey, how are you, Kaya? Say hi to my audience. Kaya, do you want some lashes? Or not? You have some. You're nice. Okay, see you soon. Come on. Okay, now next step is my eyebrow. I want them thin and really natural. I will draw a 10 hairs, but I still need some shadows under these hairs. It's hard because of the lens. I don't focus so good, but I do my best. I love that fluffy brows. I want it to be more visible. You didn't see this pimple. Let's do smoky eyes. This will be my transition color. I'm gonna do some wings, like a shadow under the eyelashes. So it's time for wig. So guys, I think that this makeup is perfect for black hair color and green eyes. I think that this warm tones, it's great for this green cold eye. That's my makeup for today. I hope you like it and see you on the next video. Bye!